hop on the beat like that pussy get wetter than sea life. I'm really tryna see what it be like. My diamonds, they hitting like fight night. My paper different colors is tie-dye. I beat it all night, she go night-night. I been one Chanel, she gon' act right. I turn the clear Sprite to a black Sprite. So high, I forgot about last night.
I like the video, just like, leave it.
It take 2 seconds, bro.
Leave it.
It take 1 second, actually. It take like 0.5 seconds. Like, just press the button.
If you don't, then...
Oh!
Chanel, she gon' act right. I turn the clear Sprite to a black Sprite. So high, I forgot about last night. I had me a dream about an act pint. They tryna pay me as the bag out. Meanwhile, I'm out here just getting my cash right. Meanwhile, I'm out here just getting my bag right. I don't even write raps, bitch, I just rap right. I know for sure I was that in my past. Like straight out the mo, put that hoe on the last flight. Pressure applying it, but she get done with it. Thought this on mindless. Took out my soul, she done kill me with kindness. On the wrist, put a little rollie, no timings. I'm in the mouth like a dem with the diners. Hop in the black, I'm black, we like what kind. Niggas just check, nigga, fuck all you comments. I run up them rats by this quick as McDonald's. Bitches be like.
They said, damn, y'all been there the whole time. What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to a new day. But hey, so today I'm gonna be showing y'all my V8 Jeep Grand Cherokee. What is it called? Overland. So yeah, I wonder if that's rare. Let me know in the comment section if that's a rare type of makes a Hemi engine inside of a Jeep Overland. But yeah, let me stop yapping and just show y'all the car. So boom, I don't got nobody recording me, so this is my POV. Recording for me. So boom, we go brown trim. We go brown trim all on the seat. Y'all can see it a little bit with the sun. We go brown trim all around. Brown trim all in here. Some slight. Got the overland stitching in the side. White trim all down the seats. Oh yeah, and we got panoramic on there. I hope it ain't too windy, y'all, but shit, I'm gonna do my best. Make sure y'all go forward with that IG post. Yeah, you know, sharp nigga. But so yeah, that's the front. I'm gonna give y'all a little start up too. Don't worry. But yeah, this the back. Boom. Little spacious joint. Y'all can see brown all around. That's one of my favorite parts about this. Trunk ain't nothing in there for real, but my lefty garments, tees, so make sure y'all shop lefty. I'll put it right here. Put it right there. But yeah, this the back end. Logo right here. I wonder if I should de-badge that and just, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I want to call it Baby Hawk, but some people go be dicky. Not no Hawk. It's not no track. Bitch, I don't care. But anyways, so this the front end. Something slight. I want to go SRT hood right there. And then we go I'm gonna get a new bumper and shit, like the what's that shit called, the splitter. It's like black and yellow. I seen that shit on eBay. Y'all let me know what other parts I should get for it though. If I should wrap it, whatever I should do, let me know. You know what I'm saying? I'll start a whole car channel, you know what I'm saying? Anything, or just record my car on this channel, it don't matter. But let's go under the hood. I know y'all been waiting for that. I know y'all see that right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. The Bible right there, nigga. Yes, we have a V8 5.7 Hemi. I'm gonna do a few upgrades. I don't know. It says stop. Should I stop and not change the intake? I don't know. Do it make a difference? Cause I want to make it louder. I heard it do something, little something, but I don't know. But yeah, we got the 5.7 Hemi. But yeah, this my Jeep. I love this motherfucker. That motherfucker's beauty. I call it Dove, the baby Hawk right now. You know what I'm saying? It's a baby Hawk. I'll show you why I got the badge for it too, nigga. But I ain't put it on yet because I gotta make it sound like, you know what I'm saying, something. This shit look hard. I'm gonna give y'all a little startup. Hold on, twin. Hey, little bruh, wake up. Come here. Hey, I want to thank y'all for watching. If y'all made it to the end, this is what y'all do. If y'all made it to the end of this video, I want y'all to pit. Just pit, what emoji should we do? Pit the eggplant emoji. That's how we gonna confuse them, right? If y'all made it to the end of this video, put the eggplant emoji. Everybody in the comments that just went right to the comments and then watched the full video, they gonna be confused. All right, I'm about to enjoy my little smoothie. 10 a.m. right now, and I'm gonna be done with the video by hopefully soon. But anyways, thank y'all for subscribing, liking this video, because I know you liked it. You my dog. You liked it. Twin, you liked it. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Give me like 20 likes at least, bro. Thank y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. It's a banger.
Okay, bye.
I play your shit a lot in my car, and I be wanting to make snaps to it. And I don't know if you're gonna be upset if it's like an unreleased Loyalty song.
Why would I get mad? Play this shit so loud, make your neighbors mad. They say that we